Hi, my name's Kylie from Profitability Virtual Assistants, and recently I had the absolute pleasure of participating in the Recipe for SEO Success course with the amazing Kate Toon. Now, I have to admit that before I signed up, I was a little bit worried about how much it cost and whether our business would receive that back in value. Now that the course is over, I'm 100% thrilled to report that we have absolutely received the value necessary from this course, and we're starting to see our business really improve with our SEO ranking or our search engine rankings. Now, I was so impressed with this course that I couldn't leave once it was over, and I actually signed up to Kate's Digital MasterChef community as well, just to keep that momentum going. So if you're considering this course, I do highly recommend it. Buckle up, there's a fair bit of work involved, but the rewards are absolutely worth it. Good luck.